Hello olders, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about Social Security Administration payment on 27 May. Who gets paid this week? If you come first time my channel, please subscribe. Welcome back to channel. Big Social Security payment are going out this week and millions of Americans are checking their bank account to see if their money has arrived. So, who gets paid on May 27, 2026? And why do some people receive over $5,000 a month while others get much less? Let's break it down in simple terms. The Social Security Administration, also called the SSA, send payment on different business day each month based on your birthday. If your birthday falls between the 21st and the 31st of any month, your payment is scheduled for business day 27 May. This includes retirement benefit, SSDI, disabled payment, and survivor benefits. Now, not everyone follow this schedule. People who started collecting Social Security before May 1997 usually get paid on the 3rd of every month. Also, people receiving both SSI and Social Security are paid separately. Right now, more than 71 million Americans receiving Social Security benefits every month. But here's something many people are surprised to learn. The average Social Security retirement benefit in 2026 is about $2,026 per month. However, the maximum possible monthly benefit is over $5,181. So why is there such a huge difference? The answer depends on three major things: how long you worked, how much money you earned during your career, and the age you started claiming benefits. To receive the maximum benefit, a worker must earn the taxable maximum income for at least 35 years and delay retirement until age 70. Most Americans retire earlier than that, which permanently lowers their monthly payments. For example, claiming benefit at 62 can reduce your check significantly compared to waiting until full retirement age or age 70. The SSA also added a cost of living adjustment called COLA for 2026. This increase helped raise benefits slightly to help retirees keep up with inflation and rising living costs. Another important update is the Social Security Fairness Act signed in 2025. This law removed older rules that reduced benefit for some teachers, police officers, firefighters, and other public workers. But experts are still warning about the future of Social Security funding. Some reports say the system could face financial problems by the year 2034 if Congress does not make change. For now, though May 2027, payments are expected to arrive on schedule for eligible receipts. If your deposit is delayed, the SSA recommend waiting at least 3 business days before contacting the agency. And remember, direct deposit is still the fastest and safest way to receive your benefit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more social security updates and breaking payment news every day.